Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to do Puerto Rican traditional brazo gitano, which translates to Swiss roll. This recipe will be listed down below in the description box. Make sure to go check it out. For our first ingredient, we are going to divide our egg yolks and our egg white. Make sure when you are dividing it, no egg yolk get mixed into the egg whites, because if you do, this part right here, which is the first part, like the first step, it will not come out. So make sure no egg yolks in your egg whites. Now we are going to add our baking powder and our granulated sugar, and we're going to let it mix. Now it's time to add our flour with our egg whites. Now we are going to mix our egg yolks with our vanilla, and we're going to add that to our mix. Now we are going to fold our egg whites into the cake mix. Once you have folded everything together, this is what your batter should look like. Now we're going to go ahead and get our pans. These are half sheet pans. We're going to align a parchment paper, and we're going to spray with a nonstick spray, and we're going to add our batter evenly. Make sure that your oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to take our Swiss roll out of the tray. We're going to add powdered sugar on top, and we're going to add another parchment paper over it. Now, using that same tray, be careful because the tray will be hot. We are going to flip it and remove the other parchment paper and add powdered sugar. This is because we are going to roll our Swiss roll. The purpose of the powdered sugar and the parchment paper that we're leaving on our Swiss roll is for when we're ready to unroll our Swiss roll to add filling, our Swiss roll doesn't stick together and break. Now it's time for our filling. We are using guava filling for this Swiss roll. This is our most requested Swiss roll. We are just spreading it throughout the entire Swiss roll to then roll it up once again. And to finish this recipe off, we are going to add powdered sugar on top. We are using cream cheese for this one, but you can also use any type of fillings of your liking. Now we are going to add our Swiss roll to our container, and we are all done. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you never miss a video. I'll see you guys next time.